Can I ask you something? How many times have you wished you had just one more person on your team? Someone who never sleeps, never misses a call, never forgets a follow up, and actually enjoys working 24 hours a day? I'm serious. Think about it. For years, only the biggest companies could afford that kind of workforce. But something has changed. And if you're watching this, you're seeing it happen in real time. This is a generational shift. At Guru's AI Agents, we're helping entrepreneurs, creators, nonprofits, and businesses hire an elite AI staff that works 24/7, 365 days a year. They answer customers, qualify leads, schedule appointments, create content, automate workflows, and keep your business moving even while you're sleeping. And here's the part that matters. This isn't about replacing people. It's about giving people the tools to compete, giving the small business the same kind of advantages the big corporations have had for years. So here's my question. Are you going to watch this shift happen, or are you going to be part of it? Because the future belongs to those who can see it before everyone else. I'm Don Wansley, and this is Guru's AI Agents, your all day, every day AI staff, a natural lifestyle, a digital age.